The critical thing to do is to think about the problem before it hits. Many people have mortgage products that they know the payment is going to be changing, or maybe they've had a change in circumstances due to unemployment or another factor. In particular, in Prince George's County and in other suburbs of the Washington, D.C. area, Montgomery County, Fairfax, Loudoun, many consumers were given inappropriate loans to move into their house because of the high cost of housing here. The most important first step is to reach out to a qualified HUD-certified counseling organization. That can be done over the telephone to many groups or in a face-to-face meeting. First, you should have a good understanding of your mortgage, of your overall budget situation, and you should be prepared to discuss and share documents with a certified counselor. If you have concerns about the amount of money that you make, about a hardship situation, maybe a breadwinner is not feeling well, is in the hospital, whatever the situation is, you need to speak candidly and openly to the counselor, and they will keep that discussion in strict confidence. Then after reviewing the situation, they'll develop a mortgage plan and then outreach to your mortgage servicer or whoever may hold the paper. For example, with regard to the refinance program, what they'll look to do is to ensure that no more than 31% of your monthly income is being paid to the mortgage. There are also mechanisms to lower the monthly interest amount for a period of time to make the mortgage more affordable for consumers as well. In some of the other programs that are available, there are many different types of forbearance agreements that deal with short-term hardships, such as health issues or short-term unemployment. So all of this is very good. For some consumers, though, they may not be able to stay in the home, even in fact if they apply for these programs. And there are other alternatives that may be available. For example, short sale. It may be that the servicer is willing to allow you to stay in the home for a period of time if they know that you're making a good faith effort with a realtor, in fact, to sell the house, or possibly do a deed in lieu of foreclosure with the servicer, where in essence you're just turning the keys into that servicer, who then on their own will be selling the property through a real estate REO initiative. Other possibilities also include some new programs where, on a demonstration basis, you may be able to rent, in fact, in your very home that you were losing the title to. Now, these are all basically the last resort, but when you think about the impact on the family, when you look at the impact on the entire aspect of your lifestyle, they may be appropriate alternatives for consumers. But first and foremost, by engaging a counseling group, by engaging your servicer, the most important goal, number one, is to do everything in our power and your power to stay in the housing, to stay in your home.